So I've had some questions about the hair removal features of Portrait Pro, and it's something I really don't use much. But I will show how well it works, and I will put it against EVOTO. This is the latest sort of software that obviously is available to do the same sort of thing as Portrait Pro. We'll see which one is best. I've got a selection of images here, and we will go through each one and let's see how well it does. So we're going to start off with this image here. It's on a black background, as you can see, and we will go straight into Portrait Pro Max. I've got the image loaded up. We've got quite a few stray hairs. Now with this software, again, it is my favorite software, to be honest, but this feature, again, it's not something I would use, but it doesn't work well, in my opinion. So, it might be something I'm doing wrong. I don't think it is, but we'll go straight into it. We've got stray hair remover. You've got the size of the hair, size of the brush you're going to use, and the thickness of the hair. So we're going to go straight into it, and we will just try it on these hairs here. I'm doing my best to do this, and as you can see, it does leave traces as well. Now let me just try the thickness of the hair. Again, if you look at it, if I'm doing it on here, it doesn't do anything. It gets to these bits, and we can just see the painting effect, it just doesn't seem to work well. That's light hair, dark background. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing my best with it, but again, it just doesn't seem to work as well as I would have thought it would. So again, I don't use this software for hair removal. Okay, so if we go into EVOTO, we've got the same image. Stray hair remover, it's in beta mode at the moment, but again, straight off the bat, I will fire it up. It does a good job straight away. Now you can see where it's darkened it. Again, it's just not something I would use, but you can see the difference it made to that image. Okay, on to the next one. Onto the second image now. We've got this shot here. Again, we've got stray hairs. We'll go to the in painting, stray hairs remover. Click on the icon once again. We've got light hairs on a darkish background. Now I did try it earlier. Again, you can see the results. To me, it just doesn't work. It's not something I'm doing wrong, I am sure. It just doesn't work. If you'd like to try it yourselves with the same pictures, I will leave the links to these pictures in the description, and you can try it for yourself. Okay, same image in EVOTO. We'll go down to the hair, remove stray hairs. We'll zoom in so we can see what we're doing. Again, that one's already been done as I was playing with it in Portrait Pro. Stray hair remover. And they're gone. It does a good job of removing stray hairs, but again, me in pictures, I don't mind the stray hairs. It's part of the shot, in my opinion, so I leave them most of the time. It's a bit of a windy day, you're having a shoot, you're going to have a bit of a flyaway hair. That's my opinion. Anyway, so there you can see, I'll do one more. I'm not going to go through the whole 5. As you can see, it just doesn't work for me. And on to the next picture. Okay, final picture. We'll start off in Portrait Pro once again. Go down to it. Stray hair removal. And then we'll just have a go on this bit here. Oh, sorry, dark hair, dark background. again, struggling. It struggles. I'm trying my best to do this and it just doesn't work. So either I'm doing something wrong or this software is not working as it should do. Anyway, so I've tried. I'll do the same thing in EVOTO. Again, their AI works online. So, you know, the algorithms they use, they're updated all the time, I guess, and it does work better for the hair removal, stray hair removal, as you can see. Let's see what it does. It gets rid of them, you know, it works to a point. Again, it's not, again, I wouldn't use it because it leaves all this sort of faded and misses bits or blurs it out, or, you know, it just doesn't work right on both software. This one does a better job. It's not something I would use, but there you go. You've seen it working on both of the softwares I use. And again, I will leave them pictures I was going to use, a link to them. Download them yourself, try them out yourself. If you have better results, give me a message, tell me how you do. But anyway, that's it. See you in the next one.